Hello, this is Oklahoma Cannabis Business Attorney Jesse Kovach with the OK Cannabis Law Office. Today we're going to be talking about what are some situations that would cause my ownership disclosure documentation to be rejected by OMMA through my application process. Now, one of the most common things I see with the ownership disclosure documentation that goes wrong is that you have a different ownership structure specified than what you've identified in your actual application. So, for example, if you are a licensee who is a sole proprietor, you want to give a statement of sole proprietorship as your ownership disclosure documentation. If you give a operating agreement for a limited liability company, that's going to cause problems because you're going to have a different structure than you specified in the actual application. So if you have a limited liability company, make sure that you have a operating agreement for a limited liability company. Make sure it's not a statement articles of incorporation. Make sure that if you have a corporation, you're not referring to limited liability companies. Just make sure that that information is all the same from start to finish on your application and with all the documentation that you submit in support thereof. Now, if this information was helpful to you and you want to find more like it, you can find more at our website, oklahomamedicalmarijuana.attorney.